the time has come to go for the first drive. I've juiced it up. I've put about 7 to 8 litres of petrol in, and then we're going for a drive on the road legally. Back. It was only a quick one, just a shakedown test to see how it would go. Wow, that looks really blue in the camera. Put it in front ways, as I still need to do rear suspension. There is a couple of issues. First thing is speedo is nowhere near accurate. It's miles out, so I'll have to put that speed box in. I ended up doing, well, it says on the trip computer 1.3 kilometers, but that's a little bit out because of the speedo being out. But the other thing was the average speed worked, which was interesting. I didn't expect that to work. There is a vibration on the passenger side, and I'm pretty sure that that's going to be the cat, because VKs from factory don't have a cat and there's no space for it as on the VL. So under here, that's about where the cat is. So I'm going to need to put something under the cat to soften it so it doesn't vibrate on the floor. It does sound a little bit like a wheel bearing, but I'm pretty sure it's not because it comes and goes. And the good thing as well is the transmission shifted into gears, which is good. Plus, the tracking wasn't too bad. The steering wheel was in the middle. It didn't pull to any sides and went rather well. All in all, a great first test drive. Just under the bonnet as well, The radiator's hot, the hoses are hot, so the thermostat's opened. Temp was around the mid-range. The only thing that didn't work was the fuel gauge for some reason. I put, you know, that 7-8 litres in and it didn't register anything. That doesn't matter, it's all good. And just while I'm under here as well, you may notice that I now have a new overflow washer bottle. And I would like to say a big thanks to a viewer, Andy, for sending me that. It's much appreciated, mate. I can't thank you enough. Thank you very much for sending that. All in all, that test drive went pretty good. Now there's a few issues that need to be sorted out, but that's what you do test drives for. I need to work out what I can put underneath that cat so it doesn't smack into the floor. The speedo I'm not too worried about at the moment. I can sort that out a bit later on. And other than that, I've now got it in front ways, so I'm able to do the rear suspension up at this end of the shed and not be crammed in this end. So we're very close. It's very close now to being done. I've watched back a couple of the clips of the drive and very happy with the way it sounds from the back of the car. Like the note of the V8 is magnificent. Unfortunately, there's a bit of wind around today and there's a bit of wind noise, so apologies for that. But what can you do? Anyways, until the next video, thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time. Ciao, ciao.